Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Today we're going to make this cake and a DIY cupcake stand. I'm going to show you a hack that I use. These cupcakes are delicious. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to melt 2 sticks of butter. Then we're going to add the cake mix. We're going to give that a stir and then add 1 cup of milk. We're going to slowly put that in and we're going to cool off that butter because when we add the eggs, we do not want to make scrambled eggs. We're going to whip this all up. We're going to put it in some tins. Look at that. Put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Then you're going to frost and decorate. Now we're going to make a cake plate to serve these. This DIY is quick and easy. It's going to use this beautiful plate. Look at how pretty that is. And then this goblet. It's so nice and heavy and so ornate. So we're going to take this plate and we're going to, of course, flip it over like we always do. Then we're going to take the goblet and flip it over as well. We're going to put it with E6000, or you can use hot glue if you'd like. So really quickly, easy, flip that over. We're going to get our goblet and just, well, we'd flip that over as well. So, all right, let's go ahead and get our hot glue. And again, you could use E6000, but for time's sake, I'm using the hot glue. And we are going to just put that all the way around here. And be careful because you need to do it rather quickly. Oh, I'm going off of the... Let's get it up here so we could see a little bit better. Okay, there. Okay, so we're going to go all the way around. Now remember, it will cool, so I'm going to go around again just to make sure. And there we go. Looks good. And now we're going to center that up. Really quick and easy. And you're just going to pop that down. If you're using E6000, make sure that you let that dry for 24 hours. But this is the hot glue, so it's already done. And now look at this gorgeous plate. Let's go ahead and put some cupcakes on it. I can tell you the cupcakes are delicious and these look so cute on this tray. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and I will talk to you later. Bye!